Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I am ShaakiraKay if this is your first time here. So I do beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. So if this is your first time here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. So today I am going to be doing a collective haul. I filmed this haul before and then the quality was trash, so I'm filming it again. But I've been doing, you know, little bits of shopping here and there, and I feel like I've picked up some really nice pieces. I'm gonna say that the majority of them are more on the luxury side. Yeah, like the majority of the things that I picked up are more on the luxury side, but I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. So I mean, let's not hear me ramble on. You've come for the fashions, you've come for the looks, you're trying to see if it's giving what it was supposed to give. So let's get straight into it. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is this skirt, and oh my days, don't know if you guys can see it, it has feathers on the end. I cannot remember if it's real feathers or not, I do not remember, but the skirt is from Kith and Kin. So I saw this, I saw the company Wolf and Badger kind of pop up on Instagram, and I just did a little browsy browse, and then I came across a few things. So this is one of the things that I got from them. And then I got this skirt in a small, I believe, and the skirt is a little big. Like you'll see in the side where I show you me putting it on, that the skirt needs, I need to take it to be tailored, but I need the right tailor because of the feathers. So I just want to make sure that they don't mess anything up. But this skirt was pricey. It was like £100 and something. I'll have the price on the screen or I'll put it below, but I believe it was maybe like 120 or 130 for the skirt. But the quality of the skirt is lovely and the skirt is really nice. I mean, don't get it twisted, you probably can find something similar for cheaper. But yeah, so the next item that I got from Wolf and Badger was this. Let me just add, Wolf and Badger sell loads of independent designers. So I don't think that they actually sell their own clothes. They're just like a hub that sells clothes that feature loads of different kind of like independent designers on there. So I got this dress. I mean, me holding it up is not doing anything for it. It kind of ties around your neck and it's got like this really nice beading on here, and it has like a little open cutout for the stomach. It then rouges and has this sexy split in the front. I tell you, I've already worn this dress, and when I tell you, I got so many compliments when I went out to dinner in this dress. And the designer for this, is it Amy Lynn? Yeah, Amy Lynn. Funny enough, I always now get ads for this designer on Instagram, but this dress is really nice. I got it in a small. The small fits, like you'll see it in the video, and maybe I'll insert clips of when I wore it out, but I really do think I probably could have gotten away with the extra small, but I was like, I mean, this is fine, like I don't need to send it back. This was about £75. This was cheaper than the skirt. And they have this in a few other colors. So they have it in like red and they have it in black, but I just wanted something like a nice cream dress. And I mean, if you are someone that is going on holiday right now in the middle of this Panasonic, then this is a perfect holiday dress. If I'm honest, if I was going on holiday, this is definitely something I would have picked up and wore when I was on holiday. So another item that I got, oh my day, I really wanted to order stuff from Kai Collective for so long, and I mean, it just never happened. In the midst of the pandemic, I wasn't working and I needed to save my coins. But when I saw the release for this come out, I said no, I need to get it. Ordered one for me and my girl, and we got the same color. And I mean, I just love this. What I'm about to show you, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. And what I'm talking about is this two-piece set. It is so lovely. Now, yes, it is sheer, but if you wear, I mean, if you're wearing the trousers on its own, then I would wear like black knickers to obviously cover it. But if you are wearing it as the set together, the shirt covers your bum, so you don't really need to worry about that. When I wore this, I just wore it with like a nude brown bra, and it was fine. Like, you couldn't really see anything, and just the detailing on this is just so nice. We've got the little gold. We've got the pearl buttons on the cuff of the arm. It's just really nice quality. If I'm correct, I think that this was £150, but I mean, we spend this money somewhere else. We need to support our black designers, and I just love everything that she puts out. I mean, amazing. And I've met her once in person, and she's just so lovely, so I feel absolutely no way to support her. So yeah, definitely they came in this really lovely baby blue. It came in a purple, a green, and a brown, if I'm correct. So definitely check that out. I should also add that I got this in a small as well. So yeah, love this. Looks amazing on. I don't know if I already said, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I plan to wear this again with heels, and I plan to wear it with like purple heels. I'll be showing you those heels that I just bought in a second, but you know, I plan to wear this with purple or pink heels as a pop of color. But the first time I wore this, I wore it with Air Forces, and I just loved that it was like a really cute casual outfit, but then I also love that I can dress it up and be stepping on the town. So the last clothing item that I have is this dress from BBX, what is it? BBXBRAND. This was my first time buying dresses from her, and I've always seen the stuff online, and I've always said, you know, I wanted to get myself something from her, and I got this cream dress, which was really nice. I got so many compliments when I wore it. It comes with this like really nice detailing on the side. I kind of just wore mine as like a bow because I'm 5'3" and it was too long. And I got this in a size 10. I think she did say that the model, which looked like she was the same body shape as me, it was a size 10, and I was oohing and ahhing between the size 10 and the size 8, just depending on the fit. The only problem with this dress is I'm a true size 8 in the body, but I'm a girl that has breast and I have bum. So a lot of times I'm a 30, like, to put in perspective for the girls out there that want to buy dresses like this, I'm a 32 double D, and really and truly in the body I could have got the size 8, but for the boobs I needed that size 10. So that's just something to think about. If you are going to ever get a dress like this, you may have to go up a size, and if anything, there are tailors out there. Get it tailored so you can have it fitting you snug exactly how you want it. But I mean, I made it work. I lifted the girls up, I taped them and strapped them away, so you couldn't really tell when I wore it out. And like I said, I got so many compliments. The quality of this dress is amazing, and I think that's why I've liked to buy, you know, little bit like more different kind of clothes these days. A, because of the quality, B, because it just feels like not everybody's out there wearing what you're wearing. I had this, absolutely love it. I've seen a dress from hers that's coming in the new in her new launch, and I will be up at the crack of dawn to make sure that I'm getting the dress that I want. Today I actually went to Bista, and I plan to go to Bista again, and I'll probably do a Bista specific video, or I'll do a Bista vlog. And I only picked up 2 things from Bista. I was very proud of myself. When your therapist says self-care is a must, she insisted that I bought something, so do you know what? That is what I did. I bought these Gucci heels. I thought that these were really nice. They were really cute heels. I don't have a gold pair of heels, and I actually wore these heels with the BBXBRAND dress, and it looked absolutely amazing. It looks so nice. It's just, yeah. So I got these in a 36.5, so that is a 3.5, and I kind of went up a half size. I have loafers from Gucci, but I didn't have any heels, and my loafers are a size 2, just because, and 2 as in like kids shoes, just because leather expands, so it then would become that 3 or a 2.5. That would fit me fine. And I don't have any blisters from them, if anybody's wondering if I shoved my foot into a shoe that was too small. No, I don't. I know what I'm doing. I have loafers from like Russell and Bromley, and I do the exact same thing. I kind of go down a size or go down a half size, because when you get your exact size in leather shoes, it's just gonna start flapping. But yeah, so I got these in a 3.5, and I think that these were £120. So I mean, I saw them, I wasn't gonna leave them in Bista because they were £120. You can't go wrong with that. The next thing that I got in Bista was a pair of Yumi sunglasses. I hope I'm saying that right, because I've never bought anything from this brand before. But I'm a sucker for packaging. Like, look how pretty this pink velvet case is. So I got these sunglasses, and they are pink sunglasses, aviator style. They've got like little diamantes across the top. They are just, I mean, I was trying them on and the sales assistant was like, oh, these look so good on you. And then my boyfriend said the same thing. So I was a sucker and I had to buy them. So this is what they look like on. I mean, we haven't had a summer, which is a shame, but I do love a really nice pair of sunglasses. I think that these were maybe £100 exactly. I can't remember the exact price, but they were around the 100 mark. The problem with these is that they said that these were special price because once they were gone, they were gone. But I mean, Vista's definitely a shout if you're looking for luxury but more affordable sunglasses. I mean, you can't go wrong. It is better than spending £300 on a pair of sunglasses. Last item in this haul are a pair of shoes that I had my eye on for so long, and I got scared that she wasn't going to be releasing them again. And these are the Tjar, I believe that's how her name is pronounced, the Tjar Bonnet heels. These babies are beautiful. Now the problem is I did pre-order them like in May and I didn't get them. I'm sure it was May. Like I pre-ordered them quite a while ago. And they only came the other day, but I think that these are beautiful. They look so sexy on your feet. I love the lilac-y color. I don't have a bad word to say about these shoes so far. Craftsmanship, it's just quality, and it's different than what you would see before. And you know, my thing right now is really supporting a lot more of the black luxury designers. I have a list of black luxury designers that I wish to buy things from. I think these were maybe like $215, which is what, £170 or something like that. So not too bad for a luxury pair of heels. I got these in a size 3. They are a true size 3. I mean, no, yeah, did I get these in a size 3? I did, a 36. I probably could have got the 37, a size 4. However, I then would have had, it would have been a bit gappy here, but the reason why I say that, and it's kind of the same reason that I went a half size up with the Gucci heels, is that when you then walk, I don't have an instep, so then my foot pushes forward, and I don't like my toes creeping over the front of the heel. That is not nice, that is not cute. So yeah, that is the reason sometimes I might go an half a size up in heels. But I mean, these are absolutely fine, and the problem is if I did get it any bigger, then it would be really gappy in the cage at the back. That is it for my luxury collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more collective hauls of things that I've been picking up over the past few months, then definitely let me know. But until next time, my lovelies, bye!